We are here to learn, discover new technologies, and build a strong partnership. I want to thank to Lima Machinery for your warm welcome and to support us. Thank you to everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Kinda and I come from Burkina Faso. Today I want to share a great experience with you. I had the opportunity to visit in an aquaculture system. As you can see behind me, there are large fish ponds and modern fish farming technology. This experience is important for me because I believe aquaculture has a big future in Africa, especially in Burkina Faso.